Oh, we're not allowed to. And here, my fear of heights kicks in a little bit.
I feel like a little kid, like, yeah, we're gonna get up. Oh no!
Good morning everybody from a beautiful sunny Cape Town. We have been here for a couple of days, but today it is time again to leave. We had a bike serviced here and we had a little talk yesterday at KTM. Thank you for that again, it was very cool. So today we're going to go probably towards Ceres. We don't have a route planned yet, we still need to do that, but let's go.
Let's go!
So today we're gonna start easy. So I think it's 180 kilometers, you said, Werner? So that's not too far. We don't know really if much of it is gravel or not. It seems to be some parts gravel, but we just wanted to get out of Cape Town area and out of the flatlands. We want to get basically back to the mountains as fast as possible. So we think our end destination today will be Ceres or around that area, but I don't know. We don't really have a destination in our mind. That is the direction. So we will see where we go.
Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay. Here we go. Boom, boom. Yeah, it is dirt, baby, dirt. Just feel it. I haven't been on dirt in a while. Yeah, I think what we need to do is just go there in the middle. Think where you are. Yeah.
Don't think it helps much.
And the side is quite soft, yeah. It's no, there where you are is also soft. Actually a berm. Whew. Yeah. No, it is quite soft there.
My bike goes all over the place. So we turned around. That road became very soft, and we both don't really feel comfortable enough to go fast enough that it actually makes sense to do that whole road, because it's already 1 o'clock and we still have about 180 kilometers to go. So if that road stays like that, then it will take us a very long time. So we turn around, we can just do a little bit of tar until we pass this sandy dirt road. It was just scraped, so that's probably why all the sand is completely loose.
I think it's good that we're going back. I think it's good that we're going back to the mountains and getting away from all this wind and okay. Come this way.
Where are you taking? Where are you taking us?
So we don't want to go on the highway.
Yes. Well, no, but yes, I agree. We don't want to go on the highway. You're going to take this dirt road?
Yeah, I think so. I just need to make 100% sure.
Do you think it is like a nature reserve or something?
Yeah, but that's why I see that. So I just want to make 100% sure. But do you think we can take this road?
No
we can't.
off-roading. Oh, are we not allowed to?
No.
Why? It's going to be closed.
Yeah, we're gonna go into the reserve and then we get on that road anyway. So yeah, we'll just go down here and then get on that other road. That's stupid.
Look, Ceres is actually quite close to Cape Town, but the way we have been riding.
Plus, I mean, if you just take the highway, you go through Paarl and then to Ceres, it's quick.
But yeah, if I'm looking at the time, maybe we must just take this road and just get to Ceres. And then tomorrow we give it another shot for the dirt.
Yeah, let's do that then. Then we can also properly look at the road.
Yeah.
Yeah, so left here.
I'm just running for those mountains. I would have just gone to side.
There's a big green signboard saying Ceres.
I know, but I'm not looking at the signboards, I'm looking at the mountains.
Yeah, I know, but now look, you're also now going to the mountains.
So Ceres is to the left, but we want to do something fun. So we're quickly gonna go make a loop, go towards Wellington, and then we want to do Baines Clove. We actually want to do that on our way to Cape Town, but I don't know if you remember, but it's like 2 or 3 episodes ago, but yeah, the river was flooded, so we couldn't get that way. So we went down to Villiers in Paarl and then Cape Town. So we want to do Baines Clove anyway, so this is a small loop to get to Baines Clove from here. So let's see. Well,
So do you know anything about Baines Clove?
no, absolutely nothing. I know it's a pass, and it's supposed to be beautiful.
Yeah, I don't even know if it's a pass or if it's a port. It is just...
No, I think it's a pass.
Yeah, but you ride in a canyon.
Okay, oh, I don't know. It doesn't matter, we will see. I just wanted to have some fun today and not just
Yeah, it's a pass.
pass. Yeah, I told you it's a pass.
Yeah. At least it is already pretty. Look at the mountains.
Going to the mountains, so I'm happy. Look, it's now very nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Newly laid tar.
Oh, it's beautiful. I just need to catch up with you.
Where are you? It is such a fun little drive with this. But I have to say, with Marcy, these roads are just awesome. And here my fear of heights kicks in a little bit.
Is it?
Yep, I don't know why.
It's funny. Sometimes I get it and then you don't get it. And then sometimes you get it and I don't get it. It's weird because I don't get it, yeah.
It's just, for some reason, like the Prince Alfred Pass was also this steep down, but for some reason I didn't get it there. And then this is now a tar road, which is supposedly to be safer. And for some reason I get now I don't know, it just kicks in. It's weird.
Sound and it's just that vertigo. It's just like a shock, like woo.
Yeah, maybe.
Wow, it is nice though. I want to say it, and I'm going to say it. It is beautiful.
Yep. Ainge Clove. I think we're now going to the Clove area, like the canyon.
Yeah, probably. I don't know. I don't know. I know nothing about this.
Oh, you have a height limit for some reason.
Maybe there's a tunnel.
Do you think we're going to get a tunnel?
That's the only reason why I can think there's a height limit.
Oh, it's true. I feel like a little kid saying, yeah, we're going to get a tunnel.
I don't know.
I don't know either. We'll see.
Or maybe there's like a rock that sticks out and
I don't know.
go underneath or something. But this is cool though.
It's very cool.
Yes, look into that canyon. It is just,
Oh, yeah,
when you have the mountain in the back there, it's just like, wow.
I can imagine there's leopards here. There must be loads.
Yes.
I just want to see one.
Yeah, that is why.
Ah. I think I wouldn't mind driving this road 5 times. It's almost, it's funny, but it is weird to believe that we are in South Africa.
Yeah, but for some reason I say that very often.
Yeah,
It's just South Africa is so diverse.
yeah.
Right? Once again, a very narrow bridge. I don't know who can go first, because I got here first.
Yeah, no, he has to wait.
Okay, we can go.
Okay, 28,
Where we came from there.
28 kilometers. Rio-Trafi, this is the river that we couldn't cross.
Doesn't look that bad now, eh? Does it?
No.
Alright, come here around the corner. Are you with me?
Yeah, we're next to you. There is a truck coming. That's fine, we can...
Mitchell's Pass. Are you gonna do another pass?
Yeah. Don't know how big this pass is, but anyway, doing another pass. Yay! It is beautiful here. Doesn't matter where you look. It's just like, it's a view, it's a view, it's another view.
Look at the light there on the, it shines over the mountain.
That is just awesome. I hope you guys can see that on the GoPro. I hope the GoPro can get that, because that is beautiful.
And all of a sudden it's daylight again.
What an entrance to a town, eh?
Yes.
Jeez.
We'll find a supermarket or something, and then we can get some food and we can find some camping sites. So, welcome to Ceres.
It's got a serious entrance.
Another beautiful town in the Western Cape.
Yeah. Okay, just go left here. There's a big parking space there just on the left. You see where the taxi is also standing.
Okay.
So just go left and then right.
And it is all the way around, but
Yeah, I know. I'm also like, why did I stop with my nose down?
I will quickly run to. Well, I will wait till you have confirmation.
Yeah.
Or I do anything.
I'm gonna
Now push your bike back so you can just ride out.
Ah, but it is fine, man.
Yeah, it's fine. It's with a downhill.
Alright, so yeah, the camping site where we wanted to go for some reason doesn't pick up. Maybe it's load shedding, maybe it's something else. All the campsites in town are actually quite expensive, and so we
decided we are going to spill ourselves
Once
and
again.
go and stay inside and all fancy in a bed and breakfast. Tomorrow morning we're getting breakfast. Yeah, well, I mean,
oh, look, it is it's still not very expensive, but it is getting
all that we
there.
could find.
Yeah.
All we could find. Running. Woo! Okay, now we need to look for number 4.
This is number 3.
Yes, number 4. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna go turn around there.
Bye. So pretty.
I'm gonna lose. Goodbye. I'm tired.
So anyway, we got a place to sleep. Not camping, but it got dark so quickly that we decided to just stay inside somewhere. And it is getting pretty dark now, but look at the mountains. So yeah, we're gonna say thank you for yes, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it. It was an interesting day for us.
Yeah, it didn't start off very good, but once we hit the mountain pass, it was awesome. Awesome.
So that was worth it.
Very big thumb up for that mountain pass.
Alright, well, and we're gonna say goodnight.
Alright. Goodbye,
Bye-bye.
cheerio, see you guys in the next one.